Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove password from Windows 11. So if you have set a password but you want to remove it for any reason, whatever it could be, then I'll show you how it can be possible. Right now you can see I have a password on my Windows, and once I lock my screen, it asks for the password to be entered to get into the system. So if you have the same thing, then we have to remove it. So for that reasons, you have to simply get to your desktop, and after that in the search bar you have to search for the settings. Once you search for the settings, you will see its icon. Click onto it, you will be into the settings. On the left side, you will see different options. From there, you have to click on to the option accounts. As you click onto the option on accounts, again you will see these options. From there, you have to scroll down a bit, and then you will see the option which is the sign in options. You have to click onto it. As you click onto it, then you will see this option for the pin. Click onto it, and after that you will see this option for remove. Click onto it, and after that again click on remove. But first you have to enter the password. Simply enter it up and click on OK, and again you have to click on OK to verify. Once you do it, then you will see the password will be removed from Windows. So that's how you will be able to remove password from Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.